Namaste. Welcome to Shankara Ashtanga Yoga. Today we are going to explore Prasarita Padottanasana. If forward folds, the regular forward folds feels too tight, then you need to go wide. And that is Prasarita Padottanasana, the wide-legged standing forward fold. This is one of the most powerful, stable inversions in yoga. It gives you all the benefits of a headstand, but without the risk, opening hips that you didn't know were tight. Now, let's break down the power stance. Stand in Tadasana, feet together. Now, spread your legs about 3.5 to 4 feet. Take your toes inward to give you more balance and stability. Now, raise your hands up with an inhalation. Nicely lengthening your spine. Exhale, exhale, and place your hands directly under your shoulders. Now you can go down a little more, taking your fingers in line with the toes, okay? Placing your forearms and then going down, placing the crown of the head on the mat. Slowly, gently, with balance. Raise your kneecap upwards, your inner arches up. Stay here. Breathe normally, do not hold your breath. Straighten your legs, take your kneecaps a little more higher up. And slowly bend your knees, take your legs in and come up. With chair as a prop support, this is a nice restorative version of Prasarita Padottanasana. I've kept the folded blanket too on the seat of the chair just to give a little more lengthening and nice stability in the asana. So let's take our legs 3.5 to 4 feet wide. Nicely hinge from the hips, stretch your hands and then go down. Place your head on the blanket and the forearms on the chair. Stay here. This is a very calming position, a calming posture. You can stay here for as long as you feel comfortable. And then slowly hold the chair, take your legs in and come out of the posture. In this asana, if the floor feels miles away, do not fret. You can still do it with the aid of the blocks. So, feet 3.5 to 4 feet wide. Gently lengthen your spine and slowly place. So your palms are placed on the blocks and the blocks are placed directly under the shoulders. So you can go down as much as possible or you can just stay this way. This is also fine. And then when you increase your flexibility, you can maybe place your forearms and go a little more stretch downward. Stay here. And slowly come back. Alright, this is another version of using the props where we are using with one block but trying to take our head towards the block. Okay? Alright, again, place the legs 3.5 to 4 feet wide, lengthen your spine, exhale, come down, place your head on the brick. You can hold the ankles for stability. Stay here. And as you increase your flexibility, you can even learn to take the block in its semi-vertical position and take your head down. So this is the way you build up your flexibility. You can keep your hands here on either side of the block or hold the ankles, whichever is convenient. Ensure the weight is distributed completely on the feet neither on the heel nor on the toes. Lift your inner arches up, lift the kneecaps up, and stay comfortably in this posture. You can place your hands here, slowly come back, take your feet together, bend your knees, and come up. Prasarita Padottanasana is a perfect reset after a long day of standing or walking. It is powerful, it is stable, and it's a total mood shifter.